Good morning. Today we will discuss the topic how strong are acid or base solution, which is of class 10 chemistry second chapter acid, bases and salt. Now for this topic you have to know first what is acid and what is base. Now we know that acid is substance which is sour in taste and a substance which is bitter in taste is known as base. ओके बट इज इट पॉसिबल टू टेस्ट एवरी एसिड एंड बेस? क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि एसिड और बेस सबको टेस्ट किया जाए? नो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. तो साइंटिस्ट क्या एग्जामिन किए? वो ये एग्जामिन किए, देखे कि जितना भी एसिड है सब में हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट रहता है और जितना भी बेस है उसमें OH प्रेजेंट रहता है. ठीक है. Now for say examples of acid. For this you see the example of acid. Now there are some mineral acid and there are some organic acid. Now what is mineral acid? Acid which we get from minerals and salt, minerals and rocks are known as mineral acid, and which we get from living things are known as organic acid from plants and animals. Okay. Now see some examples of mineral acid and some example of organic acid. Mineral acid, hydrochloric acid HCl, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड H2SO4, नाइट्रिक एसिड HNO3. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं all contains hydrogen. Now see some organic acid, HCOOH, formic acid, CH3COOH, एसिडिक एसिड. ओके, ऑल कंटेन्स हाइड्रोजन, सब में हाइड्रोजन है. तो ये पता किया गया कि जिसमें भी हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट है दैट इज नोन एज एसिड. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? इट रिलीजेस H+ आयन. व्हाट इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ एसिड? इट रिलीजेस H+ आयन इन aqueous solution. So what is the definition of acid now? Substance which releases H+ ions, one or more H+ ions in aqueous solution is known as acid, and a substance which releases OH- ions, one or more OH- ions in aqueous solution are known as bases. So this is the definition, which releases one or more H+ ion is known as acid, and the substance which releases one and more OH- ion is known as base. Now how can you say that this substance is acid or base practically? Now for this we use indicators. Now what is indicator? Indicator is a substance which indicates whether a substance is acid or base. For this we use two types of indicators: synthetic indicators which can be prepared in laboratory, and some are natural indicators. You have heard this name, okay? Litmus paper. Now this is the litmus paper, you can see here. This is blue litmus paper and this is red litmus paper which we get from plant lichen. There are some more natural indicators. You can take turmeric juice, red cabbage juice, okay, China rose, extract of China rose is also used as natural indicators, and some are, so see the natural indicators: litmus paper, turmeric juice, extract of China rose, red cabbage juice. So these are used as natural indicators. Okay. Now some are synthetic which can be prepared in laboratory. That is phenolphthalein, methyl orange, phenolphthalein. So these are indicators. But my topic is how strong are acid or base solution. ये तो पता चल जाएगा कि ये एसिड है और ये बेस है, लेकिन कौन एसिड ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है और कौन एसिड कम स्ट्रॉन्ग है, या कौन बेस ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है या कौन बेस कम स्ट्रॉन्ग है, वो कैसे पता चलेगा? फॉर दिस वी यूज pH स्केल. Okay, what is this? An easier way to measure the strength of an acid or base solution was worked out by Danish biochemist S. Sorensen. वो क्या निकाले थे? एक स्केल निकाले थे. He introduced the scale, pH scale. In German, P stands for potence, meaning power. And what is this? ये एक scale है. You can see here I have made. सारा कलर इसमें दिखाना पॉसिबल है. दिस इज व्हाइट बोर्ड, यू सी हियर आई हैव मेड फॉर यू. नाउ से दिस इज पीएच स्केल. ये क्या है पीएच स्केल? इसमें 0 से 14 तक. दिस स्केल इज फ्रॉम 0 to 14 एंड कलर इज गिवन. यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ डीप रेड है, रेड है, धीरे धीरे कलर लाइट होते जाएगा. नाउ इन न्यूट्रल 7.7, 0 to 14 मिडिल इज 7. दिस इज न्यूट्रल विच इज ग्रीन इन कलर. उसके बाद बढ़ेंगे, धीरे धीरे डीप होते जाएगा ब्लू में, लास्ट जाके डीप पर्पल हो जाता है, डीप वायलेट. ओके, यदि 7 से इंक्रीज करता है नंबर, देन इट इज बेसिक कैरेक्टर इंक्रीजेस, एंड इफ इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम दिस साइड, okay, what happens? Acidic nature, acidic character will increase. Now this can be shown by some experiment. Okay, क्या देखेंगे? कुछ केमिकल लेंगे, उसमें pH paper. This is pH paper, universal indicator. Okay, this is somewhat different from litmus paper. Litmus paper, blue litmus paper, and red litmus paper. And this is pH paper. क्या करता है ये? इसको जब हम एसिड या बेस में डालेंगे, यदि वो कम एसिडिक है, then it will of 6, 5, 4, 3 इस तरह से. और जैसे जैसे इसका कलर डीप होते जाएगा रेड की तरफ, it means acidic character is more in that solution. For this I have taken this 6 solution. ये 6 ही सॉल्यूशन हम क्यों लिए? क्योंकि यही 6 सॉल्यूशन जो है. Now what is the solution? Dilute HCl, dilute NaOH, dilute acetic acid, lemon juice, distilled water and dilute sodium hydrogen carbonate. इसी को हम क्यों लिए? क्योंकि आपका फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल जो है उसमें भी आपको ये शो करके दिखाना है. Now for this you see I have taken these things. ये 6 मटेरियल हम यहाँ लिए हैं and one by one I will show you how the color changes. Now see, this is dilute HCl. अब आपको करना क्या है? इसमें इसको डालेंगे. ओके, now you can see क्या हो रहा है? कलर चेंजेस. You can see this. अब क्या करना है? इस कलर को इससे मिलाना है, जो आपका स्केल ऐसे मिलाना है. दिस इज डीप रेड. ओके, 1 है, so you have to write here color is red and approximate pH value 1. Okay, now this is of HCl. Okay, next is dilute NaOH. You all know that this is basic in nature. Now see here what happens. इसको डालेंगे. Now see what happens. This is now blue in color, deep blue. Third is your acetic acid. Acetic acid में डालेंगे. You see here. What may be the color? Yellow. You see here. Now see the color. This is yellow in color. Next, lemon juice. Lemon juice में डालेंगे. Now see the color. You can see the color. Okay. Distilled water. So this is pure water. Distilled water, which you use in batteries. Now see this color change. Now last one is your dilute NaSCO3, sodium carbonate. Now see this sodium carbonate. You can see the color. See here. Okay. Now you can see when dissolved in dilute HCl, आपको रेड मिला and which is very near to this. So approx pH is 1. Okay. Next is your purple, sodium hydroxide, which is purple, which is very near to 40. We know that sodium hydroxide is very strong base. So the color is deep purple and pH is 14. Third is dilute acetic acid. We know that acetic acid is less acidic. Okay. Not so strong, because 5 to 8% is also present in vinegar which we eat. Okay, eatable. Okay, so what you have seen, dilute acetic acid, yellow in color. You can see this is yellow in color. So what will be the pH? 6. Okay, yellowish green. Next is lemon juice, orange in color. What will be the pH value? If it is orange, this 2. Next, distilled water, green in color. This is 7 because this is pure. Distilled water means pure water containing no any impurity. Okay, and last is your dilute sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is blue in color. You can see here blue in color, and this is of 9. You can match it here. Okay, now this is the color, the pH value. If it is 1, it means it is strong acidic. Okay, 7 is neutral. Here you can see 7 is neutral. Okay, we go from 7 to 1, acidic character will increase, and 7 to 14, basic character will increase. Now you can see. What you can see? यदि 7 है, then it is neutral. If 1 less than 7 acidic, 14 more than 7 basic, 6 less than 7 slightly acidic, 2 it means strong acidic, and 9 it means here basic. Okay, and you can also compare which one is more acidic and which one is less acidic, or which one is more basic and which one is less basic. So this is all about universal indicator pH scale, which was given by S. Sorensen. और इस तरह से आप पता कर सकते हैं कि जो भी सॉल्यूशन है, कौन ज़्यादा एसिडिक है, कौन लेस एसिडिक है, कौन ज़्यादा बेसिक है और कौन लेस बेसिक है. Now for next topic, आपको अपना you must see my next video. Thank you.